Hi, this is Melody. Today I'm going to do a review of this product. These are honest, unpaid reviews. So this is, as you see, is called Dal Makhani, lentils in a sort of like a butter sauce, but it's not too buttery. What I usually do is it comes in a package. Comes in a package like this, and this is the way it is inside. And I'll make it enough for one person. So you can buy this product from any Indian, Oriental, Pakistani grocery store. And then if you are going somewhere, you can carry it with it. It doesn't need to be frozen. It stays good for about a year, and it has expiration date. So it has a lot of lentils, like usually some masoor dal, and it has some beans, red kidney beans in a buttery sauce. And to that I boil on mung beans and keep it. So this cook mung beans in salt and turmeric. So I'm going to add some of it to this one once I heat it up. And you can add a little bit of more spice if you like spicy. And you can add a little bit of cilantro leaves as garnishing on the top. And it goes great with the rice, brown rice, white rice, whatever, or you can eat it with bread. So let me put it all together on the oven, and then I'll show you. All I need to do is cut this pouch and keep a little bit of water on the side, because you need to mix the water inside to get the inside buttery thing. That's up to you. So let me get this thing all together, and I'll show you final outcome. All you need to do is put it all together and heat it up. Now if you have some cooked vegetables, you can add to it, and that'll be great. So let me just quickly do it and show it to you. So this is honest unpaid review. All my reviews are honest unpaid reviews, and I've been using this product for quite some time, so I don't do reviews using only once. And what I usually do is I cook this dal with little bit of hing and cumin seed and ginger. That way it's very digestible. So it's up to you how you feel it. So let me put it all together and show it to you. So this is how the dal makhani looks like as it is heating up, and I'm going to serve it in a plate and show you. So this is what it looks like, rice and the dal makhani. So enjoy, and you can give it a try. And these are not too expensive. I think it was $2.49 or $2.99. Sometimes on sale $1.49, $1.49. So thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you with many more honest, unbiased, unpaid reviews.